सलाम अलैकुम, मरहबा, कैफल हाल, कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है, ठीक है, मियाँ मियाँ, रकम वाहिद। Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog, Yorme 23. This event, DDF Olympics, bowling, basketball, and cycling at Dubai Bowling Center. Number 1, Dubai Duty Free. Rakam Wahid, fantastic, amazing, bombastic. Shout out to all my big boss. Stay healthy. Stay safe always. Enjoy life and God bless all. Best regards to all my friends and colleagues. Take care. Enjoy life. Stay healthy. Always. Best regards to all Irish village. Take care always. Be hardworking. More sale. Hello to all my friends and colleagues. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Morocco, Egyptian, Bangladesh, Tunisia, Philippines, Chinese, Africa, Hakuna Matata Kabisa, Uganda, and to my friend Emirati, Kalap, Walid, Muhammad. Stay pretty boy all and take care of yourself. Enjoy life. Greetings to all Sapir boys. Onen, Sherwin, Westbrook, Rick Rock, Remar, Christian, Master, Dwight, paring Carlos, paring Albert Ko, Consi, Roy, the legendary. I love watching NBA at Etihad Arena with Menjil, Katrina, Albert, Sandro, and Frederick. Allen, Chato, Joen, Dan Badaguas, Michael, Reggie, paring Lester, Chris Ray, Kits, Erico, Arbitembuang, Bullet, Cesar, Ompong, Papa Kent, Frederick Cooks, aka LeBron James. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy. Billiard game at Jebel Ali Club with my friends in Al Maktoum Airport. Watching basketball at Al Ali Club with Team Gilas. Hello to all my beautiful managers. Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Jasmine, Ma'am Nori, Ma'am Tox, Ma'am Melanie. Stay healthy always. Take care and God bless. Regards to Boss Edwin, Sir Philip, and Sir Michael Real. Greetings to all my friends. Emirates Airline, Dinata, Marhaba. I watching Etihad Arena, USA versus Slovenia with Mike Sanchez, Michael, Ryan Lopez. Fantastic event, Mia Rakam Wahid. I'm very happy to watching NBA at Abu Dhabi Etihad Arena. USA team win. Congratulations.
Hey, we are here right now.
Matata, Big Sam, how are you today?
Why are you losing?
Mambo Jumbo.
Power Sana, all good?
Fantastic, fantastic.
Hello to all DG boys. Uncle Pitts, Edgar Brescia, AJ, Joen Badaguas,
Good morning, Boss
Dominic
RJ.
Solis.
How are you today? We're playing
Tuyay,
basketball in Sapir Mall.
Ernie Gucci, Billy ng Dyson, Julius Creation, Mike Sanchez, Anthony Cortez, Panyero, Jerome, Barry, Ron Keremit. Hello to all BA, Perfume Shop, Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, and Ship D. Take care always. Stay pretty boy. Regards to all my colleagues and my friends, Concourse A, Ship C. Number 1, Mia, Rakam Wahid. Assalamualaikum, marhaba. Shout out to Electronics, Concourse A, Ship C. Danny, Amin, Serjan, Ron Keremit, and Sheila. Noman. More sale, my friend. And take care always. Don't forget, subscribe. Yorme23. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Enjoy life. Maasalam. We love you all.